Rumors surrounding the Galaxy S24 Ultra are gaining momentum now that Samsung's major phone releases for the year are behind us. With its competitors also unveiling their fall phones, it's time to shift our attention to what Samsung has in store for 2024. It seems like the S24 Ultra will be their next flagship device. The challenge lies in surpassing the achievements of the S23 Ultra, which boasted performance, outstanding battery life, and unrivaled camera capabilities among smartphones' year. However, early rumors about the S24 Ultra suggest that there is much to look forward to. Apart from an upgrade to a powerful chip like the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, there are murmurs of significant advancements in camera technology, with an emphasis on an improved telephoto lens. Moreover, Samsung might consider boosting the rate of its 6.8-inch display and adopting a stacked battery design that could enhance overall battery life. Combining leaks about the Galaxy S24 and specific rumors about the Ultra model, here's what we know far about this premium handset from Samsung and what we hope they will deliver. Considering Samsung's trend of adopting the Ultra's design for their Galaxy S23 lineup, including making their lower-cost Galaxy A phones resemble the Ultra, it's unlikely that there will be a design change for the S24 Ultra. However, there is a possibility of bezels being introduced to the display, which could alter the look. Samsung seems to favor having a row of camera lenses on the back of their phones and is likely to continue with that design approach. One potential modification in the Ultra's design might involve using materials. According to leaks, Samsung might replace its armor aluminum with titanium sides for the phone. It seems probable that the Ultra model will feature this change, and there is a chance that other models in the lineup will also receive it. As per one report by leaker Ice Universe, this alteration could result in a weight reduction of up to 1 gram compared to the S23 Ultra. In terms of color options, 4 primary colors, black, gray, violet, and yellow, are rumored alongside colors like orange, light blue, and light green only at Samsung stores. Furthermore, Ice Universe suggests that the device will boast a peak brightness of 2500 nits, an improvement by 750 nits over its predecessor, which has a peak brightness rating of 1750 nits. One potential significant change for the display of the device is its refresh rate. In models like the S20 Ultra, the display was capable of a 120 Hz refresh rate, which could be scaled down to 1 Hz when there was activity on screen. However, according to rumors from SamLover, a trusted source for Samsung leaks, it is speculated that the S24 Ultra might increase its rate to 144 Hz. While there are already devices on the market with 144 Hz displays, most of them are primarily designed for gaming purposes. Considering Samsung's emphasis on gaming capabilities in their Ultra models, such as processors, large displays, and internal cooling systems to prevent performance issues, it wouldn't be surprising if the S24 Ultra also adopts this feature. Samsung made a change to the camera of its Ultra model this year. The S22 Ultra's main sensor was upgraded from 108 to a 200 megapixels. While we shouldn't expect another leap, there are rumors that Samsung will make some improvements to the sensor. This could include an aperture for low light performance or enhancements in color reproduction. According to reports, the sensor size might be increased to 1 inch, which would match Xiaomi 13 Ultra and surpass the one found in the iPhone 15 Pro Max. Ice Universe also hinted at upgrades to the telephoto lens. They expressed confidence that the device will deliver performance for zoom capabilities ranging from 3x to 10x, resulting in enhanced image quality. Additionally, there are speculations that Samsung might opt for a 50MP telephoto lens with a 3x zoom for the Galaxy S24 Ultra. Recently, it has been suggested that Samsung will equip the Galaxy S24 Ultra with both a 10 megapixels lens offering 3x zoom and a separate 50 megapixels lens providing 5x zoom capability. That doesn't sound great because it will result in the elimination of the 10x optical zoom feature. However, I'm hopeful that the enhanced 5x sensor will compensate for this, similar to how Apple utilizes pixel binning in their iPhone 15. Despite this change, it seems like it won't impact the phone's capability to achieve the zoom of 100x like its previous models did. The Galaxy S23 Ultra introduced a new front camera, so we'd only expect some fine-tuning there if Samsung's planning any changes at all. That leaves just the 12 megapixels ultra-wide lens on the back of the phone as a possible area of improvement. Samsung has also unveiled its Zoom Anyplace camera tech, which uses a combination of a 200-megapixel sensor and AI to offer improved zooming capabilities. One is the ability to use AI to keep your subject in frame at all times, while another allows you to record zoomed and full-frame shots simultaneously, and in 4K resolution. Samsung's also changing the way it captures images, using parallel image processing rather than the usual sequential method. Apparently, this will improve image quality thanks to reduced latency and data loss, while simultaneously improving capture speeds by 2 times. These changes haven't been confirmed for the Galaxy device, but given the reliance on a 200 megapixels lens and the AI engine in the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3, it seems pretty likely. It's safe to say that whatever Qualcomm's latest technology is by this time year, it will likely be featured in the S24 Ultra. For the Galaxy S23 lineup, Samsung exclusively used Qualcomm chipsets of their Exynos chips like they did in previous models. Initially, there were rumors that Samsung would continue with an all-Qualcomm approach for years S24 phones. However, some now suggest that Samsung might reintroduce Exynos chips in versions of their flagship device. Leaked specifications shared by Yajish Brar also support this claim. Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 will power the phones released in the US and South Korea, while Exynos 2400 will be utilized for S24 Ultra models in regions. In the past, this news might have raised concerns as Exynos chips didn't always deliver performance on par with their Snapdragon counterparts. Nevertheless, Samsung seems to be focusing on enhancing its silicon capabilities. Leaked benchmarks for Exynos 2400 demonstrate results on Geekbench than what we've seen from Snapdragon 8 Gen 2 and A16 Bionic devices, although it may not surpass the newer A17 Pro or rumored 8 Gen 3 chip results. Notably, Samsung has claimed that its chip's GPU will outperform competitors in North America, including Apple and Qualcomm. However, unless a device incorporating the Exynos 2400 chipset becomes available, we will not have the opportunity to personally verify those assertions. In addition to this, there are rumors that the device could potentially have an increased amount of RAM. Leaker Torin Vats claims on Twitter that it might come with a 16 gigs of RAM, which would be an upgrade compared to the available options of 8 or 12 gigs on the S23 Ultra. Furthermore, there are indications that suggest the graphics performance of the device Colt surpassed that of the iPhone 15 Pro. This is because leaks point towards a GPU integrated promises up to a 50% increase in speed. Finally, one feature rumored for models but absent from this year's releases was satellite connectivity. It is expected by industry observers like Sam Lover that this functionality may make its appearance with this device. If true, this would allow users to send emergency messages without relying on connectivity similar to an existing feature found in iPhone models starting from iPhone 14. It's not clear whether Samsung plans to include satellite connectivity as a feature for a model or if they will follow Apple's approach and make it available on all their flagship smartphones. There is a rumor circulating that Samsung might introduce a new stacked battery. Alongside this, they are said to be improving the cooling system. The concept behind a stacked battery is that it offers energy density in the amount of space. According to one report, this could result in a 10% improvement in performance. Furthermore, it is rumored that this new battery design would enable the device to charge at a speed of 65 watts, 50% faster than the 45 watts charging capability of the S23 Ultra. However, recent reports suggest that Samsung may not upgrade the charging capabilities for the upcoming lineup. Meanwhile, it is still too early to discuss pricing details for the S24 Ultra. Our main hope is that Samsung maintains or even lowers the price compared to the starting price of $1,199 for the S23 Ultra. Considering all the premium features packed into that model and rising smartphone part costs, though it seems unlikely that there will be a price reduction. As for its release date, we can anticipate it around late January next year. So these are all the rumors surrounding the S24 Ultra at present. We hope you found this information enjoyable. Please feel free to share your thoughts in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates. We look forward to seeing you in our next video. Take care and goodbye.